Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 4AN braided line is probably one of the most crucial components for building a high-performance engine bay, and choosing the right one can mean the difference between a system that performs flawlessly and one that leaves you stranded. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of 4AN braided lines, exploring their construction, applications, and most importantly, helping you select the perfect line for your specific needs, ensuring your project's success and longevity. Number 5. 1,4 Fuel Line, 4AN. It's constructed from high-quality nylon and 304 stainless steel braided with CPE synthetic rubber. This ensures flexibility and a great racing look. This line can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to +248 degrees Fahrenheit and pressures up to 2000 psi. It offers excellent corrosion and heat resistance. Unlike steel or plastic lines, it bends easily for simple installation and smoother fluid transmission. It's compatible with various fluids, including fuel, oil, coolant, and brake fluid, making it versatile for many uses. Note that it's not suitable for E85. At 10 feet long, it can be easily cut to your exact needs. It's a superior alternative to standard fuel lines, perfect for high-pressure applications. What we like. It boasts superior materials for durability and a sleek racing look. Its impressive flexibility simplifies installation, especially in tight spaces. If you need a fuel line that's both robust and easy to work with, this is the one for you. What people say. High quality, just what I needed for transmission lines. Per suggestion of online forums, bought to replace rusted diesel fuel lines on my 07 GMC. I was really quite impressed with the steel lining, braided abrasion sock on the outside. I needed a durable hose, and it works great for what I am using it for. It is strong, I don't have to worry about it getting a hole in it, it is strong and flexible enough. Number 4. 4AN Universal Fuel Line Hose. This hose is perfect for a variety of applications, from racing fuel to everyday use. It's built to handle high pressure and extreme temperatures. It features a CPE synthetic rubber inner hose, a 304 stainless steel wire mesh sleeve for strength, and a durable braided nylon outer layer. This combination ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. This hose is compatible with various fuels, including racing fuel, pump gas, ethanol blends, alcohol-based fuels, diesel, motor oil, E85, and coolant. It's truly a universal solution. With a working pressure of 500 psi and a burst pressure of 2000 psi, it can withstand even the most demanding conditions. It also operates in temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to +350 degrees Fahrenheit. It has an inner diameter of 5.56 mm, 0.22 inch, and an outer diameter of 11.17 mm, 0.44 inch, designed to fit 1/4 tubing. It's specifically designed for a perfect fit and optimal performance. Our manufacturing process has been updated to ensure compatibility with E85 fuel, giving you even more versatility. What we like. This is a versatile option suitable for various fluids, including E85. It can handle high pressure, making it ideal for demanding applications. If you need a reliable and broadly compatible fuel line, this is a great choice. What people say. Great product. Easy to assembly. Made some nice transmission lines for my 1956 Chevy. Works well. Using as transmission cooler lines. This was the most economical source I could find for 10 and 5/8 braided hose. Meets all the performance aspects for oil catch, can use, and looks great. No problems using and installing. Number 3. Evil Energy 4AN Fuel Line Kit. This kit is perfect for upgrading your fuel system. It's built to withstand high pressure and extreme temperatures, ensuring reliable performance. It features a CPE rubber inner layer, 304 steel wire, and a tough nylon outer braid for superior strength and flexibility. The fittings are made from high-quality aluminum alloy. It can handle a maximum working pressure of 750 psi and a bursting pressure of 2250 psi. It's ready for demanding applications. It's designed to perform reliably in extreme conditions, from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 257 degrees Fahrenheit. It's built to last. It's compatible with a variety of fluids, including transmission fluid, oil, race gas, vacuum, hydraulic fluid, diesel, and fuel. It's incredibly versatile. This kit includes 10 4AN swivel hose ends in various angles, straight, 45, 90, and 180 degrees, and 16 feet of braided fuel line. Everything you need is right here. The hose has an inner diameter of 7/32 inch, 0.22 inch, and an outer diameter of 0.44 inch. It's the perfect size for many applications. What we like. This kit comes with a variety of fittings for easy installation in different configurations. It's built to withstand high pressure and is suitable for various applications. If you value convenience and a comprehensive solution, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. This hose and fittings was a godsend. I've even removed some of the fittings several times to change the length of the hose and they still did not leak or get galled up. Really good fittings, not cheap. I would recommend them. I put together about 20 lines between multiple kits. These lines worked well for over 3 months with no leaks. I'm a mechanic that uses AN fittings all the time. These hoses are great. If you follow the directions you should be fine. I pressure tested mine to 100 psi with nitrogen with no problems whatsoever. Number 2. GXARTS 4AN Turbo Oil Feed Line. This 12-inch stainless steel braided oil feed line is a direct replacement for damaged original parts. It offers a reliable and cost-effective solution for your turbocharger needs. It's built with durable stainless steel braiding and features a 4 and 90-degree straight fitting. This ensures a secure and leak-free connection. It undergoes multiple quality checks throughout the manufacturing process, guaranteeing a high-quality product. You can trust it to perform as expected. Instead of expensive repairs at a shop, you can easily install it yourself. This saves you both time and money. We provide complete installation tutorials and technical support. If you have any questions, just reach out to us for assistance. Our commitment to quality is unwavering. Every part undergoes thorough testing to ensure it meets our high standards. What we like. It's designed for a specific application, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's built to last and offers significant cost savings compared to dealer parts. If you're looking for a reliable replacement part at a great price, this is the one. What people say. The GXARTS 24 billet steel braided turbo oil feed line is a high-performance, durable hose designed for use in turbocharged engines, specifically for oil feed lines. Material. The oil feed line features a billet steel braided exterior combined with an internally braided PTFE hose. This construction offers a robust, flexible, and heat-resistant design. The PTFE inner lining is known for its ability to withstand both high temperatures and chemical exposure, making it an ideal material for handling the extreme heat generated by turbochargers. Number 1. WATERWICH 4AN Fuel Line Hose Kit. It boasts a steel-braided exterior and a PTFE synthetic inner line for superior durability and performance. However, it's not ideal for corrosive environments, so keep that in mind during installation. This versatile hose is perfect for various applications, from turbo oil feed and fuel return lines to transmission oil coolers and more. It's your go-to solution for high-temperature, high-pressure systems. It can withstand extreme temperatures, from a chilly -76 degrees Fahrenheit to a scorching 446 degrees Fahrenheit. With a maximum working pressure of 4,000 psi and a bursting pressure of 12,000 psi, it's built to last. The kit includes a 10-foot PTFE fuel line, along with 6 4AN PTFE hose end fittings, 2 straight, 2 45-degree, and 2 90-degree fittings. Everything you need for a complete installation. Because it's relatively rigid, professional installation is recommended to avoid damage. Its stainless steel braiding provides excellent flexibility and abrasion resistance. What we like. This fuel line is built to withstand extreme temperatures and pressures. The PTFE inner line provides superior chemical resistance. If you need a fuel line for high-performance applications or harsh environments, this is your best bet. What people say. The fuel line features PTFE, polytetrafluoroethylene, which is known for its superior resistance to chemicals, high temperatures, and pressure. The line is also wrapped in a stainless steel braid, which provides extra strength, abrasion resistance, and a sleek, tough exterior. The included fitting kit ensures you have everything you need for a quick and easy installation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.